Want to know how to find out trending topics in TubeBuddy for your video in YouTube Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy application or the extension itself and launch it to your YouTube Studio, and you should be right here. And now, once you're here, there are two ways you can just simply do it. So I'm just going to show you how you can easily do it. Now, first things first, just simply it was the Keyword Explorer. So on the right side, you should be seeing this TubeBuddy icon right here, just simply like that. So as you can see, Keyword Explorer. And now here you can just simply enter any keyword that you like. So if my keyword is Roblox, I can just simply click explore right here in order to explore them, and I should get some trending topics according to it. The next thing, I can just simply generate a title with a similar topic and algorithm as well. So I can just simply open up any video. So I have this channel video right here, and I can just simply select title generator. Now, what's my video about? So just simply select generate ideas. Once I have selected title generator, and as you can see right here, your generation should be there. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.